Question number 13 we have given, and matrix A will be 2, 3, 3, 1, minus 2, 1, 3, minus 1, minus 2, and B is equal to 5, minus 4, and 3. It's B. First of all, determinant of A is equal to 2. First row, first column neglect, but minus 2, minus 1, 1, minus 2, and second time that will be minus 3, and first row, second column, 1, 3, 1, minus 2, and plus 3, 1, minus 2, 3, minus 1. So A determinant is equal to 2 2s are 4, plus 1, minus minus plus 1, minus 3, 2 1s are minus 2, 3 1s are minus 3, plus 3, minus 1, plus 6. Then determinant of A is equal to 4 plus 1 is 5, 5 2s are 10, minus 3 minus 2, that is minus 5, minus 5 3s are minus minus plus 5 3s are 15, and 6 minus 1 is equal to positive 5, 5 3s are 15. Then we get determinant of A is equal to 15 plus 15, 30 plus 10, that is equal to 40. A determinant not equal to 0, and A inverse exists. So A inverse exists, and we find the cofactor of matrix A, C11 is equal to, C11 is 5, C12 is equal to, that is 3 plus 2 is 5, minus 5, but minus minus, that will be positive 5, and 6 minus 1 is equal to 5, so C13 is equal to 5, and C21, C22, C23, C21, second row, first column, 2 3s are minus 6, plus 3, minus 6 plus 3, that is minus 3, and that will be positive 3, 2 plus 1 is 3, this number multiply by negative sign, minus minus is plus, plus 3, and C2, 2 2s are minus 4, minus 2 2s are minus 4, minus 3 3s are 9, minus 9 minus 4, that is minus 13, minus 13, and C2 3, minus 2 minus 9, that is minus 11, minus 2 minus 9 is minus 11, but 2 plus 3 is 5, that will be positive 11, multiplying by minus, and C31, C31, C32, C33, C31, 3 1s are 3, plus 6, that is 9. And C3, 2. 2 ones are 2, minus 3, that is minus 1. So this will be positive 1. 3 plus 2 is 5. This number multiply by negative sign, minus minus plus 1. C33, 2 2s are minus 4, minus 3, that is minus 7. So C33 is equal to minus 7. And we find adjoint A, that is equal to 5, 5, 5, 3 minus 13, 11, 9, 1 and minus 7. A inverse is equal to adjoint A upon determinant of A. This implies A inverse equal to, we get determinant of A is here 41 upon 40 into 5, 3, 9, 5, minus 13, 1, 5, 11 and minus 7. We get A inverse 1 upon 40, 5, 3, 9, 5 minus 13, 1, 5, 11 and minus 7. Ax is equal to B. This implies x is equal to A inverse B and x is equal to x, y, z. X, y, z is equal to A inverse is 1 upon 40 into 5, 3, 9, 5 minus 13, 1, 5, 11 minus 7. And B is 5 minus 4, 3. Value of B is 5 minus 4, 3. 5 minus 4, 3. First row multiplying 5 minus 4, 3. We get the value of x. And second row multiplying 5 minus 4, 3. And third row similarly we get the value of x, y and z. X, y, z is equal to 1 upon 40, 5 5s are 25, minus 4 3s are 12, plus 9 3s are 27, and 5 5s are 25, plus 13 4s are 52, plus 1 3s are 3. 5 5s are 25, minus 44, minus 21. This implies x, y, z is equal to 1 upon 40, 25 plus 27, 52, 52 minus 12, that is equal to 40. And 25 plus 3 is 28, 28 plus 2, that is 30, 30 plus 50 is 80. And 44 plus 21, that is equal to 65, 65 minus 65 plus 25, that is minus 40. So we get x is equal to 40 upon 40, that is 1, and y is equal to 80 upon 40, that is 2, and z is equal to minus 40 upon 40, that is minus 1. X is equal to 1, y is equal to 2, z is equal to minus 1. Answer. We have given three equations: 2x plus 3y plus 3z equal to 5, x minus 2y plus z equal to minus 4, 3x minus y minus 2z equal to 3, and we are solving this by matrix method. So A is equal to 2, 3, 3, 1 minus 2, 1, 3 minus 1 minus 2, and B is 5 minus 4, 3. Determinant of A, taking 2 multiplying first row first column, neglect minus 2, 1 minus 1 minus 2, and second time minus time of 3 first row second column, neglect 1, 3, 1 minus 2, and plus 3 first row third column, neglect 1, 3 minus 2 minus 1, and 2 multiplied by 2 is minus 2 multiplied by minus 2, that will be positive 4 plus 1 minus minus plus 1, 5, 5 2s are 10, and 2 1s are minus 2 minus 3, that is minus 5, minus 5 multiplied by minus 3, that is positive 15, 5 3s are 15, and 6 minus 1 is 5, 5 3s are 15, 15 plus 15 plus 10, that is 40. Determinant of A we get 40, and determinant of A is not equal to 0, so A inverse exists, and we find the cofactor of matrix A. C11, C12, C13, C11 is 5 and C12 is minus 5, but 1 plus 2 is 3, so this number multiplied by minus, so minus minus it will be positive 5, and 1 3 is equal to 6 minus 1 5. C21, 3 2s are minus 6 and plus 3, minus 6 plus 3, that is minus 3, and this number multiplied by minus minus, that will be positive 3. And C22, 2 2s are minus 4, minus 9, 9 minus 9 minus 4 is minus 13, and C22 is minus 13, and C23 we get 2 3, 2 1s are minus 2, minus 9, minus 2 minus 9 is minus 11, and 2 plus 3 is 5, so minus 11 multiplied by negative sign, that will be positive 11. And C3 1, 3 1, 3 1s are 3 plus 3 2s are 6, 6 plus 3 is 9, that is positive 9. And C3 2, 2 1s are 2 minus 3, that is minus 1, and minus 1 multiplied by minus, that will be positive 1. And C3 3, 2 2s are minus 4, minus 3, that is 2 2s are minus 4 minus 3, that is minus 7, minus 4 minus 3 is minus 7, so C33 is minus 7. And adjoint A, 5 5 5, 3 minus 13 11, 9 1 minus 7. Its adjoint of A inverse equal to adjoint A upon determinant of A. We get determinant of A is 40, and A inverse equal to 1 upon determinant of A into adjoint of A. Ax equal to B, this implies x equal to A inverse B. We get the value of A inverse is here, and B value of B is 5 minus 4 3 in column direction, and B multiplying 5 5s are 25 plus 3 4s are 12, minus 4, that will be minus 12, 9 3s are 27, and 5 5s are 25, 13 4s are 52, 1 3s are 3, 5 5s are 25, 11 4s are 44 negative, 7 3s are minus 21, minus 7 multiplied by 3 is minus 21. We are adding and subtracting, we get 40, 80 minus 40, and x equal to 40 upon 40, that is 1, and y is equal to 80 upon 40, that is 2, and z equal to minus 40 divided by 40, that is minus 1. X is 1, y is 2, z is minus 1. Answer. Thank you so much.